can feel at ease, without interfering with the rescue of the cub inside. After settling the big one, the old woman immediately returns to care for the small one. The rescue officially begins. She takes out her treasured honey and without hesitation mixes it into hot water, then feeds it to the cub spoonful by spoonful. Her movements gentler than anyone. The little one drinks the honey water, and the big one can't stay hungry either. The old woman takes out 2 large frozen fish to feed the mother bear. The mother bear is starving and moves over as soon as she smells it, devouring the food in big bites. Back inside, the cub's meal is upgraded too. The old woman begins preparing fresh fish meat. She crushes the cooked fish and feeds it to the